This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See, I'm thinking, analyzing that data, but like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. Many give us a false narrative to market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, I know I told you guys I'm going to put out a video like one a day on these bad actors, showing how they just violate the laws with impunity, with no real consequences. They get minor fines, and the money they make from the bad activity, the fines are just a small percentage of it. But, I'll be getting tied up, so I didn't get to do one in a few days. But the lucky lottery winner today is Wells Fargo. They have 266 violations, and they paid $27,616,269,231 in fines. It's absolutely crazy what these bad actors get away with, and they're still licensed to trade. They still keep their banking license, and in no other industry would this be allowed. Look at this. Wells Fargo, consumer protection related offenses, 60. Financial offenses, 127. Competition related offenses, 6. Government contracting related offenses, 2. And 65 employment related offenses. And if I was to investigate that further and found out that they fired employees who were whistleblowing, I would not be surprised. Okay, because these bad actors make money off of robbing and stealing from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the law. And when they get caught, what happens to them? Absolutely nothing. Wells Fargo was engaged in all levels of identity thefts, hundreds of thousands, where they took their clients' data and created accounts and credit cards and things like that. And what happened? They were fined and nobody went to jail. Had the average citizen took somebody's personal information and created credit cards and bank accounts, they would be under the jail. There would not be just civil penalties. Now, consumer protection violations, 40 of them. Mortgage abuses, 7 of them. Banking violations, 18 of them. Toxic securities abuses, 7. Now, you guys tell me, if Wells Fargo was in the real estate industry and had this level of offenses, 267, would they still be able to sell real estate? If Wells Fargo was in the insurance agency and had 266 violations, would they still have their license to sell insurance? If Wells Fargo was a doctor or a lawyer with this level of violations, would they still be a doctor? Will they still be a lawyer? Of course not. If they were in the auto industry and they had 266 safety violations, they would not be in the auto industry. They would be banned for life. Yet somehow these bad actors in the finance and the stock market of the United States of America can have billions of dollars in fines, hundreds of violations, and still able to trade, still able to bank. So what they do is break the law, and they will continue to break the law because there are no real consequences to their bad behavior. If the SEC and the DOJ started locking them up, started taking away their banking license, started taking away their license to trade, I guarantee you a majority of the fraud and corruption would stop overnight. But because there are no real consequences for their bad actions, they continue robbing and stealing from retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the law. Anyway, leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think if you had 266 violations on your driver's license, would you be allowed to drive? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.